Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how to make best organic carrot oil. As you can see in my plate, I have 2 washed organic carrots. You will need a grater. You will also need olive oil. This is the olive oil I'm going to use. You will need jar for the carrots. Then you will also need a measuring cup, which you will be seeing in a while. So this is my measuring cup I will use to measure the oil. Okay, so I will go ahead and grate my carrots. So guys, I wanted to share this with you because carrot has a lot of good property for our hair and skin. So this is how I grated my carrots. I used the tiny part of the grater to grate the carrot. Okay, so as I said, carrot has a lot of good property. It is also beneficial for our hair and skin. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and K. It also prevents cholesterol. It is antioxidant. It has potassium. It has selenium. It has magnesium. It is rich in iron. It is also rich in zinc, which we need for our body. It prevents heart disease. It improves eyesight. It is also good in reducing high blood pressure. It boosts your immune system. It regulates blood sugar, and it also reduces the risk of cancer. Okay, this is so nice. So as you can see, I have grated my carrot. I just went ahead and put it into my jar. So after that, I will measure my oil and pour it into the carrot. Okay, so guys, you really want to try this oil. Besides, this oil also fed acne scan. It is good for everything, seriously. So I'm gonna measure 1 cup and pour it in my carrot to see if the oil is enough. If not, I will go ahead and add more oil to the jar. Okay, you will see in a while. I'm just gonna add more oil because I want the oil to cover the carrot. Now I will go ahead and turn the carrot again to see if the oil is enough. Okay, if you don't want too much carrot oil, you can do maybe 1 carrot, but in my case I wanted a lot from the carrot oil. Okay, because I do a lot of pre-poo, so I will keep it for my pre-poo. I can also use it for my skin, and so on and so forth. So I went ahead, I had a little bit. But when you're doing this, you have to have your water in the fire boiling. Okay, so this is my water. So now guys, I'm gonna show you a hack. I don't know if you guys know this. You're gonna take another lid from another jar and place it in the water before you put your carrot jar in the hot water. Okay, did you know this hack before? Let me know in the comment section below. So I place my carrots. Now I'm just gonna put the lid of the jar and leave it a bit open. So I will leave it for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I will take it out and wait for my carrot to cool down. Okay, so here is my carrot. So it is cooled down. Now I am going to do some magic for this. Okay, yeah, so I went ahead, I blend the carrot in the jar. But when you're doing this, you have to be very careful because you don't want to break the jar. Okay, you want to be very careful and gentle when you're doing this. I went ahead and blend the carrot because I wanted to extract everything from the carrots, all the nutrients, all the good property. So I said, okay, I'm gonna add this method. so I can take everything out. When I say everything is everything. So I just finished blending the carrot. Guys, did you see that? It looks so yummy. The color, it is fantastic because it is 100% organic carrot. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour it in my strainer to strain out the oil. So now I will go ahead and start pressing the oil out of the carrots. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, by the way, you are highly welcome, but please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, also turn your notification bell because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate you guys, and welcome back. So guys, what did you all think about this carrot oil? Have you tried carrot oil? Let me know in the comment section. I think this is the best way, seriously, because I'm just trying to press everything, and I think this method is one of the best methods so far, because I did fry the carrot with oil in the frying pan, because frying the carrot in the frying pan, that destroys all the good property from the carrot. But just putting it in water in 10 minutes, it just make the carrots warm, so you can press everything out. But this method is very good because I blend the carrot. Did you guys see how it look like? Look at that color. This looks so gorgeous, seriously. This is gorgeousness. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in my bottle, so you guys can see how it look like. This is so nice. This is so nice, guys. Please try this out. It is so nice. So I'm gonna pump a little bit on my skin to show you guys the result. Did you see my skin is dry? Now I'm just gonna use a little bit to rub my skin. Did you guys see how it looked like? This is so nice, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.